Hi, I am Yogesh Gute. Today's non-technical point is Tenali tells his saving formula. Now, Krishna Devarai, the king of Vijayanagar, Nagara, had ordered Tenali Raman to not show his face. Raman was waiting for an opportunity to win over the king. On morning, Raman was surprised to see a tall, fat man being carried on a chair by four short men. The procession was heading to the place. This must be the Pahalwan or the north. Throughout Raman, who had heard people talking about a strong man from the north. The Pahalwan from the north called on King Raya. I am going around the world to see if I can meet a man stronger than me. I challenge the Pahalwans to Vijayanagara to wrestle with me. The king fixed a day for the event and asked him Pahalwan to get ready for face to challenge from the north. The Pahalwan took one look at the man and their hurt snake. He is so hurt. I don't think any one of you can grapple with him, said one Pahalwan. I am his hands. We will be like chickens. And said another. The minister informed the king that the local Pahalwan were reluctant to take up the challenge thrown at the day by man from the north. Is there no one who can save the horror of Vijayanagara? Exclaimed the king. One man was ready to save the honor of Vijayanagara. That was Raman. But the king had ordered him not to show his face. You can still help the king, said Raman's wife. The next day, King Krishnadevaraya was surprised to see a visitor whose face was covered with a black spot. Who are you? What this nonsense? Sudden the king is anger. The man replied, Maharaja, it is me Raman. Had I no warned you to not show your face again, held to king. Maharaja, I am not showing my face to you. I covered it. The king could help but laugh. All right, what brought you to cover? The king asked. I want to take on this Pahalwan from the north, Maharaja, said Raman. The king was delighted to hear this. He ordered all the Pahalwan of the kingdom to report to Raman. On the following day, the Pahalwan of Vijayanagara carried Raman on a chair to the arena where the Pahalwan from the north was waiting. On his arrival, the king signaled that the contest could begin. Tenali Raman stepped forward. Maharaja, I challenge my opponent to do with eyes open what I can do with my eyes closed, said Raman. The Pahalwan from the north thought that it was child play to do anything with eye open that an opponent could do with his eyes closed. To hold this head, a chair was brought for Raman where he sat. He closed his eye and signaled his assistant. The assistant brought a bagful for sand and splashed it on Raman's face. Then Raman wiped his face with a towel and opened his eye. He bowed to the Pahalwan from the north and said, Your turn. The challenger was shell-shocked. An attendant brought another bucketful of sand and took position. The Pahalwan trembled at the thought of all the sand that would get into his eye. if he were to keep his eye open when the sand was throughout his face, the very thought scared him. Thank you.